Hello, this is Pavel, and we're working on decentralized Pinterest for the past 6 weeks, I guess. Okay, so we've done a couple of things during this program. We've applied to Gitcoin beta rounds. We've actually applied to 2 rounds. One is open source, another one is social grants. And our statistics are as following. We already received around $300. It's without matching. And we've got 65 contributions. What we've done during this program and what this program actually pushed us to do is to host Twitter spaces and co-host the spaces of other Gitcoin projects and just projects in general in the Web3 ecosystem. So I think we've hosted like at least 10 Twitter spaces, and we've reached out to a lot of people throughout this program. We collaborated and improved our network by a huge margin, and we have definitely started promoting our project to this extent much earlier, but we're glad that this program actually help us understand the purpose of social media marketing.